When it comes to injuries, not all are created equal. Some happen suddenly: a sprained ankle during a run, a muscle strain from lifting too heavy. Others build up slowly over time: an aching knee that gets worse each week, or a shoulder that stiffens with every swing. These two types of injuries are known as acute and chronic injuries, and understanding the difference is key to both prevention and recovery. An acute injury happens in an instant. It's your body's immediate response to trauma: a twist, a fall, or an unexpected force. Think of a fracture, a torn ligament, or a dislocated joint. The pain is sharp and sudden because tissue has been damaged right away. In this phase, inflammation kicks in to protect the area and start the healing process. Swelling, bruising, and redness are all signs your body is responding exactly as it should. A chronic injury, on the other hand, is the result of repetition and overuse. Instead of one big incident, it's a buildup of small stresses that the body never fully recovers from. Runners might experience shin splints. Office workers may develop tendinitis or lower back pain. The discomfort creeps in gradually, often ignored at first, until it becomes a constant ache. While acute injuries demand rest and protection at first, chronic injuries often need a different approach: correction and balance. They tell us something about our movement patterns, posture, or workload. Maybe we're training too hard without enough recovery. Maybe our form is off, or our muscles are imbalanced. The good news: both types of injuries share the same ultimate goal: to heal. With acute injuries, early care is crucial. Rest, ice, compression, and elevation help control inflammation and pain. With chronic injuries, consistency and patience are key. Stretching, strengthening, and addressing the root cause can bring long-term relief. But there's also a middle ground. Sometimes an acute injury that doesn't heal properly can become chronic. For example, a sprained ankle that isn't rehabilitated fully might lead to ongoing weakness and repeated sprains. That's why understanding and respecting each phase of healing is so important. Remember, pain is a messenger, not a punishment. Acute pain says, "Stop, something's wrong." Chronic pain says, "Something's been wrong for a while." Listening to those signals helps you prevent small problems from becoming big ones. So whether your pain arrived suddenly or crept in slowly, your body's message is the same. It's time to care, to adjust, and to heal. Treat acute injuries with immediate attention and chronic injuries with thoughtful correction, and your body will do what it was built to do: recover, rebuild, and come back stronger than before.